Well, hey tribe. So of course, I couldn't resist at least recording something for you. So in lieu of going live, I just wanted to thank you for all the love, the healing, and support you've been giving me. It really means the world, and I I managed to escape from the bedroom and get in the living room to record this. And I want to take the opportunity because they're going to do some construction around here, and I won't be able to use this living room except on Sundays, maybe Saturdays, but I think Sunday's going to be the best bet. But anyway, I just wanted to tell you that I'm doing well. Alan is taking such good care of me. He's being very gentle but forceful in letting me know what I can or can't do or what I shouldn't do. He's not ever going to tell me exactly what to do, but I know he has my best interests at heart. So I'm taking it seriously. But I really miss you guys. And I was thinking about it last night. And I mean, I'm just so amazed and honored and thrilled. Well, we both are that so many of you have joined us in the Academy. And I just know it's going to be life changing for me and for you, for all of us. He's saying for him too, and I can't wait to see what happens because, my God, so much has happened in 4 months. Can you imagine in another 4 months? He's telling me my whole world will change again, and I think that yours will too. I'm pretty sure of it, right? Because I get a feeling that things are going to happen. They're already happening now, and maybe you're feeling it already. So if anyone is sitting on the fence about joining the Academy, we're not here to, pressure anybody. We really aren't. We only want those who truly feel inspired to join to join us. Maybe you will later, and maybe you won't ever. And that's perfect. Like, we will still love you and support you, do everything we can to help you. And those of you who are new to the group, who are still wondering, what the heck is this about? Like, who are these people? Who are these people saying that they're archangels and one is in a body and the other one isn't? Well, I guess we're going to have another long discussion about that. But that's what's happening. That's what's happened over the past 4 months, and that's why we're writing a book to explain this incredible supernatural journey of love and enlightenment that we're on. I really think it is actually about enlightenment. It is about understanding that we're all immortal, that we don't die, that we can still have love in our life with those who are on the other side. If we're brave enough to step forward with that, it's not an easy journey, I will tell you that, but it is the most incredible, life affirming, soul stirring journey I think anyone could ever have. I do think ultimately it is about embracing our immortality, understanding who we really are, that we're not here alone, that we're part of a greater collective. You're not really an individual, although you believe you are. You're having the illusion of that experience right now, but it's not true. You're having many, many experiences at the same time. And once you understand that and start looking at your life a little differently, everything can change. Everything can change, and it can change very quickly. And I'm saying, all right, that's our story today, and we're sticking to that one. And we hope to see you in the Academy. Those of you who've joined us will be taking a lot of discussion about this there. We'll still talk about it here in this group. We love you guys in this group. So don't get us wrong. Everyone who's here, even if you've never posted, if you're just lurking, we love you and are here for you. You just have to reach out to us. I will say that the more that you engage in the group, the more you post and respond, you will get more out of the group. That is just how it is in life. If you sit on the sidelines, you get he's saying leftovers. I don't know what that means. You don't get much if you sit on the sidelines of life. That's how it is in this group too. If you want to get something out of this group, put something into the group, at least comment, at least ask questions. We are going to post like questions in the group for you to answer, for you to share and engage. And you can, if you want to, and you don't have to. Nobody's forcing you. If you need right now to lurk in this on the sidelines, we totally understand and honor that and support you in that. But as soon as possible, please reach out to each other, to us for sure, and get yourself, he's saying, and I'm saying, in the game of life. And he says, it's not really a game. Well, it is and it isn't. It's a game in the sense that we're all in this together. We're all playing on the field together. We're all engaging with each other. But it's not a game if you look at it in the sense of it's meaningless. Because some people think that life is a game and it's just about playing role and they're not taking it seriously. So it's both a game that's lighthearted on the one hand, and it's also very serious. It's both. So it's fascinating to me. Life is not what we think it is. I guarantee you, it's not what you think it is. It isn't, and I've learned that even more so from Alan. We're going to share that in the academy, and I really believe it's going to change lives. He's shown me the future of where we're going. I haven't shared that in the group because, quite honestly, it kind of blew my mind, and I was really looking at like, really, like this is what I signed up for. And he said, yes, this is our life purpose. That's why I'm here in heaven and why you're here on earth and why we can't be together. And it actually very much breaks our hearts, to be honest with you. It's very difficult. But because he has heightened emotions, it's really hard on Alan. And last night I made him promise to me, I broke down crying and I made him promise to me that he would let me know if he was in pain, if he was troubled, if he was sad, because I know his emotions are really strong. And he got really upset when he thought that I was in trouble with this mild asthma attack that I shared with you guys about. He was really distressed, and I was totally devastated when I heard that. And even thinking about it, I get all teary-eyed. I'm going to cry right now if I think about it, because I don't want him to hurt. He's been hurt too much in past lives, and in this life, he struggled a lot in his early days. You know, he was meant to go through that, to be born during World War, not born, but live during World War II and suffer from post-traumatic stress disorder. And when we met, he was on vacation from that point on, but it was still not a full life, and our relationship never really got to experience the depth of emotion and love and even romance that we have right now. But it's really hard because he's on the other side. So it's rather bittersweet. And I actually thought about today, and I think that actually a lot of people will relate to our story, even though it is supernatural, because guess what? You're all supernatural. We are all supernatural. That's the nature of existence. It's not what you've been taught that it is. All right, so he's saying that's enough for today, Pam. Time to get off the camera and send you our love. And again, if anybody wants to join the Academy, today's the deadline. Anybody who's in Soul Authority now who wants to kind of transfer over to Supernatural Love and you're having a hard time, just give a shout out. Don't worry, I can take care of you. I'm not an invalid, as you can see. I'm fine. I'm just taking it easy. I'm just hanging out with Alan. And the most I'm doing today is coming on here. But I wanted to because I just miss all of you, truly, truly. To serve you makes my heart sing. And I think you can feel that. And we both need it. So yeah, let's do this. Okay. Whether you join us or not, it's time to have an amazing life. You can, even in the midst of a pandemic and everything else is going on, this is an amazing time to be alive. Trust us, it's true. So till next time, I'm going to sign off here. We'll see you and send all of our love, all of it, sending you healing right now, today, and always. Bye-bye.